Hello! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna be making Avatar inspired food. I'm gonna be making non-fried and fire flakes from Avatar The Last Airbender. I've been a fan since I'm 12, 13. So now we're gonna do them how I imagine them to be. So I hope you enjoy, keep watching and like and subscribe. Okay, the first thing to do is to mix the dry yeast. I have a package here, so 10 grams. The sugar. We'll put the honey, such a tiny bit of honey, there. And a tiny bit of water so we can mix all in. The next thing to do, okay, we mix flour, salt to the sides, and in the middle we make a hole. There we add our yeast. We'll mix it up a little bit and we'll be adding water as needed. Okay, now we're gonna start with the hands. We need to finish mixing all the dry ingredients together, all the flour and salt. And you need to mix it until it's a soft ball. After maybe for 10 minutes, we let it to rest. Cover in film wrap and let it 1 hour to rest at room temperature. Now that we finish with the bagel dough, which is gonna be the non-fried dough because we're gonna boil it, what we're gonna do is the fire flakes. Come on. The first thing to do for your popcorn is line a pan with a non-stick paper, silicone one or parchment paper, so we can begin ready to go. Also, before starting the sauce, you should have everything ready, even the popcorn. I will start with the sauce. Okay, first things first, we're gonna add the sugar to our pan, and in a medium heat we're gonna let it become caramel. Once all the sugar has this now nice brown color and is dissolved, we will add butter, and we're gonna mix well and fast, please. We add our spices, mix it well, and we'll add soy sauce. And once every popcorn is coated, put it in the non-stick pan. Trying to spread it as much as possible. Now after it has rested for an hour, we're gonna give it shape, the shape of Aang. We're gonna grab a knife and cut the hands, just stretch them, and the two feet. For the ball, we can separate it if you want. We make a ball next to it. Okay, for the arrow, we're gonna grab food coloring, put it in a little piece of dough. I got 6 avatars, and we're gonna mix it up. Hi, this is me. Look, they are so cute. I will put some videos of them. I know they don't have to be perfect. They can be different because in avatar they are all different. So that's it. But I wanted them to look. I wanted them to look like the ones in the series. So they are so